My name is Alka Pandey and I'm the art consultant and the curator for the Visual Arts Gallery, India Habitat Centre. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to our annual arts evening, which has now become a ritual of sorts ever since we started it more than 12 years ago. Indeed, it has been a long journey, an eventful journey, a challenging journey, a successful journey, a constantly creative journey, a journey which has launched 1,000 stars in more ways than one. And as journeys go, we have been very, very fortunate. For ours is a journey of Ananda, of supreme bliss, because that is truly the nature of an artistic journey, the Satchidananda. The Visual Arts Gallery at the India Habitat Centre has been the springboard for many artists, enabling them to reach dizzy heights of success. From photographers to painters, from sculptors to textile artists, from ceramicists to video artists, from graphics to performing arts, we have showcased the cultural diversity of the mediums. And I'm delighted to see many of our collaborators, many of our artists who have been our fellow travelers in this joyous journey of artistic expression. Today is really a special day for all of us at the Visual Arts, and for me in particular, because today we bid also, as part of the events at the Visual Arts, to our director, Mr. Rajali Barhan, who has been the captain of our ship, the one person solely responsible for appointing me as the art consultant and curator of the Visual Arts Gallery. And like the Rock of Gibraltar, stood solidly behind us, giving us every freedom and support to develop the arts programming at the Habitat Centre. The date is still etched sharply in my mind when I joined the centre, the 17th of July 2000. And 14 years down the line, we have had a string of successes, a host of blockbuster events, and a roadmap which is strong, resilient, with all the systems in place. Just a few signposts. We hosted Platform 2 of the Documenta 11 in 2003, installed an outdoor exhibition by the world press photographer from France, the first in the country to initiate a photo fellowship in 2003. We were also the first to initiate the Delhi Photo Festival, where we collaborated with the Nazar Foundation. We run a yearly theme-based journal. We also run painting and sketching classes. We also instituted an award for 10 years for the best emerging artist with the Art India magazine, and also a ceramic award with the Delhi Blue. Thank you, Ms. Livahan, for providing us the wind beneath our wings and helping us soar to heights and spaces where I think even the angels in the world of art would fear to tread. While we will miss your supportive presence, we also know that you will be with us in our continued journey of reaching newer heights and newer visions. We also take this opportunity from all of us here in wishing you every happiness and joy in your future endeavors. I will also take this opportunity to thank my entire staff who bears with my workaholism through the year. I drive them to the bone, and yet they are always here for me. Thank you very much. Suprabha Nayak, Aditi Tandon, Dilpreet Bhullar, Saurabh Rai, Julia Truyo, who came here as an intern and hopefully will be with us on projects, Surabhi Bahal, the designer of the journal and diaries, Kushal Singh and Ravinder Ravan, without whom I would be lost. And our printers, Archana Printers, who've been publishing all our journals for the last 11 years. I now invite our chief guest for the evening, Shri Amol Palekar, to please come on stage to light the lamp along with Mr. Rajni Burhan, the director of the India Habitat Centre, and Mr. Rakesh Kakkar, the director designate of the India Habitat Centre. After lighting the lamp, I will request all of you please to be seated on stage, where you will be welcomed with a bouquet of flowers by